free money you leaving on the table. Tips in your ear, tips in your ear, let's go. Let's got the tips in the ear, let's go. Paper towel or that bankroll, baby? I don't know. Let's jump into it. So basically, the illness has arrived, right? It's here, it's in the States, and this is no better time right now than my video number 101 to talk to you guys today about personal finance 101, baby. Let's jump into it. Let's go. So today, I'm gonna be giving you top tips for personal finance for beginners, right? This is gonna help you to not make that decision between keeping my money or paying for that toilet paper. Yo, let's go, baby. Number one, I don't know why, but this is probably the quickest thing here. Quickest thing here that you can do to change your life is spend less money and save more money, right? If you are spending more than what you even make every month that's a deficit. Every month that's taking money out of your paycheck and going to somebody else. You just work to pay somebody else, right? Don't you want to work to pay yourself? Turn all those dollars into little soldiers, right? They're little army soldiers working for you and building more money for you. They just recruiting new soldiers, and those soldiers are recruiting more soldiers, and they're making you money, right? That is so huge. It's big, yo. Your boy is hitting you with that top tips for video number 101. Please hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Yo, help your boy out with the YouTube algorithm, baby. This video here was made because things are hitting me pretty personally right now. A lot of people are going through some tough times, and tough times are only beginning. I really hope that it doesn't come to that, but if you get laid off or something bad happens, let's say your spouse gets laid off, now you guys can't afford to live. Now, you need to have the emergency fund. I've done videos on emergency fund, talking about the importance of an emergency fund, why you need to have an emergency fund. Check those videos out. It's gonna help you. It's gonna be there for you. It's so beneficial. Have an emergency fund, because right now is the reason to have that emergency fund. There are people right now who can't go and buy toilet paper, right? Because they spent all their money on Friday and they spent all the money's gone. Epidemic hits on Tuesday. Grocery stores running out of toilet paper, and these people had to wait until Friday, their next paycheck, in order to go and buy toilet paper. And now the stores don't have any. This is huge. This is huge. Please have an emergency fund, right? This is what it's for, an emergency, right? But you should not be living paycheck to paycheck like that. An emergency fund is gonna help you stop that. Next up, if your employer offers a 401k match, yo, take advantage of that, boy. Take advantage of the 401k match. That's free money you leaving on the table. Let's go. Get that guap, right? You're gonna make your money at work. You're gonna put that in there, and then the employer is gonna put money in there as well. They're gonna match you somehow. If your employer offers this, take advantage of it. Simple as that. Get that money. Next up, paying off that high interest debt. That's what your boy is working on right now. If you're watching the videos, you're seeing the debt-free journey right now. Your boy is trying to pay off all that debt. Your boy had over almost $78,000 worth of debt. Yo, holla at your boy. Gotta pay that down, son. Your boy is not trying to live in debt for the rest of my life. Let's go. Next up is gonna be topping out that retirement savings. And this sort of ties in with that 401k matching. Make sure you're putting that money in that retirement, right? It's not gonna pay for it now. It's gonna pay for you later down the road. There are people right now who are putting 50% of their income right into retirement, right? And if they do the math on it and they put 50% of their income in, and there's people that are doing this thing, it's called financial independence, retire early, right? This is fire. And people, yo, that junk is fire though. But people are putting money in there, and what they're doing is they're taking like 50% of their income, saving that money, putting it into investing for their retirement, right? So by the time they have saved up, it only takes maybe, instead of 25 years, it took them maybe 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. Now they have retirement money. That money is compounding on itself. These people don't have to put any more in there, and they withdraw like a 4% withdrawal. Boom, now their retirement is set. These people are retiring at 35, 40 years old. Some people retiring at like 28, yo. That junk is nuts. If only your boy was that smart. But anyways, let's go, boy. Your boy is hitting you with them tips in your ear. Tips in your ear, let's go. Let's got them tips in the ear. Let's go. Next up, yo, people always say recommend this. I gotta recommend it. Get yourself a side hustle, son. Get that money stacking up, and you ain't gotta worry about nobody telling you, son. Like literally, when you go and you work at a job, you could be making $30 an hour, $40 an hour, right? When you first make like $1 from your side hustle, you about to be like, yo, I'm an entrepreneur. Like, yo, your boy got things going on, son. You about to be looking like, you be talking to your boss like, yo, son, blah, 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 blah. And then next thing you know, you see that check hit and you like, yo, your boy made $3 from what I made, yo? Somebody actually paid for that. You're gonna be talking to him and you're gonna be like, hey man, so how your day going? It's gonna be like, bloop, bloop. And you're gonna be like, I ain't even worried about this job, not even a little bit. Big one here, get yourself a budget. Your boy has made so many videos about budgets. Get yourself a budget. You have to have a budget in order to get to where you wanna go. I think it might've been in one of those Alice in Wonderland movies or books or something of that nature, right? And it was like the cat was asking the girl and she was like, show me which way to go. And he was like, yo, where do you want to end up? And she was basically like, I don't know. And then he said, well, then it don't matter where you going. So that budget is going to help you set those goals, right? You're going to set your goals, then set that budget, right? So you can reach those goals. Because otherwise it don't even matter where you're going if you don't even know where you want to end up. That's facts. Next up, this is a tip that I learned from wealthy people. Get yourself some insurance, right? This is life insurance, right? This is going to be health insurance. Insurance, you want to protect yourself in case anything bad happens, right? Let's say you're making money and you got little ones. Well, you pass away. How those little ones going to go to college? Do you want to keep that cycle of them living paycheck to paycheck, or you want them to have a better life than you had? It should always, always, always be about that generational wealth. If you have children, you want them to live a better life than you lived. This protection, if you go with health insurance, right, that's going to protect you in case something bad happens and you're unhealthy. You got to go to the hospital, right? Health insurance is there to help you, right? A lot of places are doing these high deductible health plans, right? So let's say you have a high deductible health plan and it's for your family, and let's say it's $4,500. Well, guess how much you should have in that emergency fund? At least $4,500. Because if you got to go to the emergency room and boom, next thing you know, they got to cut your foot off, right? My foot. Somebody help, right? Your boy has $4,500 to cover that deductible, and then let the insurance cover the rest. Ain't got to worry about it. Get it done. And last but not least, read them books, fam. Them books are going to be like, yo, books are like little tokens, right? The best way to explain a book when it comes to personal finances, for the most part, these very high quality books, right? And I got those posted down in the description below. 5 books that changed my life, and I want you to read those as well. Yo, books are like little tokens, right? So things happen in life, and these people have experienced things in life that you haven't even experienced yet. And what they did is they wrote it in this book. And this book may take you maybe 4 hours, if you're quick, maybe 2, to fully read. You have learned a full lifetime of experience in a matter of 4 hours, right? If you really reflect on what you're reading and actually apply it. You have to apply it. And then one last thing here, yo. Avoid those credit cards, bro. Those credit cards are not there for you unless you got like crazy out there willpower where you're willing and able to be like, spend this card and I'm pay it off at the end of the month, right? And some people do that, right? And they're doing well, fine and dandy, but they ain't got an emergency in the back cut for them, right? So what happens is they go ahead, spend money on there. They plan to pay it down. Boom, illness hits. Boom, lose their job. Boom, can't pay it down because they got to pay mortgage. Yo, that stuff is real. It really happens. You do not want to be in that situation. This has been your boy GK, yo. Hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button down below. This was your personal finance 101. Your boy went through them a little quick, but I wanted to hit them to you real, son. I had to get them real to you. Make sure, hit that like button. Hit that subscribe button. I cannot wait to see you in the next video. It's been your boy GK, and we out with another one. Peace.